Finishing off a bottle rocket.
Lift off.
Where'd it go?
Straight up. Please blow.
I don't know where it went, but I got the noise.
That is like, I need to shift. Like that's just going straight up. All right, you want some firecrackers?
All right.
Hey, Danny.
It's gonna be fun. Oh, smoking while shooting off firecrackers. What could go wrong?
Absolutely nothing. All right.
Oh, two. Okay, now run.
That's not firecrackers. Watch my car.
Wow.
Firecrackers.
What went way over there?
I don't know what that was, but that was cool.
Yeah, that was awesome. That's what I'm going to title this on YouTube. I don't know what that was, but it was cool. We're going to see what it is again.
I think those are firecrackers.
Oh! Yeah, those are definitely firecrackers. And I really hope that was a rock I stepped on. Oh, shit! They went right at us!
What the hell? Do I have burn marks?
Oh, this is good.
I'm lighting this. I'm so light. What is it? One of those spinners. Oh god. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this in the street. Maybe.
Oh.
This one spins.
Okay.
In the street.
Let me get the bottle rocket first. Or, oh boy.
Oh god. Where'd it go?
Right in the grass by that guy's car. I hope we don't know that person.
Sandy.
Oh crap, look at all that crap on the floor. What do they call it, a floor? Okay. Oh, I'm tightening in a bit. There we go.
Danny, here's the lighter.
Alright. Now run like hell. Where'd it go? I lost it. There it is. Where'd it go? Oh, that was awesome.
Oh, it probably would have had more split.
Well, I lost it, but at least I found out where it landed. Oh, it's gonna look good on the camera. Oh, that's gonna look good, but I'm still holding my hand. I just scratched the side of my face. Oh. Aww. That's okay. I think that's my brother's friend's car, and I'm pretty sure he would like to have it back in one piece.
I wish I had a tube.
I wish I had a stick. I don't want to touch it.
Maybe being straight up is do better. Less, Bottle rock.
Pot of rock. Where'd it go?
Where'd it go?
I have no idea.
That went far. That one went.
Wow, this would be a great video if I could find out where they went.
I want another jumping jack.
They're in the street, not in my car.
Is it gonna be another street moment, or oh?
I lit the vapor instead. I was afraid it was gonna blow up.
Shoot!
That's cool as hell.
I thought it was coming right at us. I know was a fan of fireworks, but it looks like we're taking fireworks out of a Taco Bell bag. Just random firecrackers.
I saw something that had Wolfpack on it. I was going to see what it was.
Oh, wolf packs are awesome, man.
Yes. Probably why it's already gone.
Yeah. Oh, just. You just threw it on the grass. It's gonna be fun. And now we lost our weeds.
What little PT Cruiser is that?
There's no PT Cruiser.
Huh?
There's no PT Cruiser.
Ouch.
It's a Mini Cooper.
Ouch. Okay, whose little Mini Cooper is that?
Oh, it's close.
That is so freaking awesome.
I know. I wish I had that
I
car.
wanted one of those.
17,000.
But you bought a
I know,
Mustang.
that's why I don't have one. The one I wanted was the one where the roof totally came off.
Mom, how strange a comment is that? You could have had a PT Cruiser, but you got a Mustang.
I know. I got a Mustang. Oh my god.
All right, Danny's running for cover, so let's see what's. Oh, there it is. Where'd it go?
It just goes up and back down.
Yeah, this is really good video. You're gonna see this later. Especially 1 second where I realized I've scratched the side of my face with my hand that was holding the camera.
Because there's like a bunch of.
There's a big old push broom in the backyard, baby
Here
doll.
you go. This is for you, Sherry.
Oh, that can't be good. Yeah. Notice they're lighting firecrackers while they're smoking cigarettes.
Don't know if that lit.
Oh, this is jumping jacks.
Yep.
Right next to my car.
Those were not jumping jacks.
Yeah, they were.
Oh, never mind.
You never drove and have so much fun at my house tonight, did you? No. Thought you come over and be bored, didn't you?
No, I didn't think I'd be bored. Magic train.
Whatever that noise is coming from must be freaking awesome if it was behind this
It's
front
over there.
tree.
I'm going to the backyard. Going to go back in the back.
Yeah, I got a video going right now. Thank goodness YouTube gives me 15 minutes, but just in case I'm going to stop it at 10. Talk to Dad. I think he's still shoveling it all. I hope I got that.
Think it went out.
Yes.
Damn it. I hate going after firecrackers that didn't go.
This is reminding me of that moment in Mythbusters where they set off the bomb and nothing happens. So let's pray to God Danny keeps his fingers. Oh! Dude, you okay?
I wish I got that on my camera.
You were like don't worry, I think I got it on my video. You were like 1 foot away from it when it went off.
That was a little close.
Yeah, let me tighten in. Let's see if you got all your toes. Yeah, I think so.
Oh, small one.
Oh, a tiny rocket.
Nothing. It's a dead.
That's okay.
Right in your face.
I know. Every time that happens, I think of that moment from Mythbusters. They, yeah, 3, 2, 1, nothing.
Oh crap, now what?